Kitchens are now connected, practical, and fashionable thanks to smart refrigerators, and our favorite choices demonstrate the advancements in technology. These refrigerators, which appeal to both busy families and ice enthusiasts, combine stylish designs and useful storage options to prolong food freshness and simplify daily living. With a few touches or voice commands, you can customize temperature-controlled drawers for your favorite foods, check the contents of your refrigerator remotely, and receive exact water fills. For maximum convenience, some versions even have several ice makers, built-in applications, and unique glass panels. Although each refrigerator has its own advantages, they all emphasize freshness, organization, and easy access, transforming your kitchen into a center of effectiveness, style, and clever invention. Number 7. LG InstaView. The LG InstaView Craft Ice Side-by-Side Refrigerator is a streamlined product that combines design, practicality, and innovative technology. The InstaView glass panel, which allows you to view inside without opening the door by simply knocking twice, is its most notable feature. This keeps the cool air in and makes it easy to access your favorite food or ingredients. There is ample room for everything from weekly groceries to large purchases thanks to the roomy 27.1 cubic feet of storage, which includes 17.5 cubic feet for the refrigerator and 9.6 cubic feet for the freezer. The two ice machines, which provide normal cubes, crushed ice, and slow-melting artisan ice ideal for smoothies or cocktails, will appeal to ice enthusiasts. The print-proof stainless steel finish makes it simple to maintain a professional appearance, while the exterior water and ice dispenser keeps drinks at your fingertips. The air filtering technology keeps food fresher for longer, and LED lighting inside both compartments guarantees that every item is plainly visible. However, the standard depth design may be a little restrictive for those who require deeper shelves, and the initial configuration may seem a bit complicated for those who prefer straightforward controls due to its numerous functions. But the ease of voice control, smart interoperability, and neat storage areas more than offset the learning curve. All things considered, this refrigerator is a great option for anyone who enjoys practicality, style, and easy entertaining because it combines contemporary design with useful, considerate features. Number 6. Samsung Bespoke. In your kitchen, the Samsung Bespoke Family Hub 4-door French refrigerator functions as a smart assistant. It's ideal for families who prefer to keep things accessible and organized because of its 29 cubic foot capacity. Bringing a 32-inch touchscreen to your refrigerator, the AI Family Hub Plus allows you to control smart home appliances, stream music, watch videos, show pictures, and even receive recipe recommendations while cooking. Another level of convenience is added by AI Vision inside, which can recognize certain goods you put inside, so you can always be aware of what's available without having to search through shelves. With the inner beverage center and autofill water pitcher, which provide fast access to chilled water and allow you to add flavors if desired, this refrigerator also elevates beverage access. Fresh vegetables, meats, and seafood can all be kept at the ideal temperature thanks to the Flex Zone Drawers 5 temperature settings, while Twin Chilling Plus guarantees that the refrigerator and freezer retain separate temperatures, keeping food fresher for longer. Dual ice makers offer both cubed ice and ice bites for quicker chilling. On the other hand, the inside water dispenser means you won't have an exterior ice and water station, and the tech-heavy features could initially seem overwhelming. Its size and design might not suit every kitchen style, but it's also quite a statement piece. But this fridge, which combines creativity, adaptability, and careful design in a sleek, contemporary package, is perfect for anyone who enjoys a connected kitchen, clever organizing, and entertaining made easy. Number 5. GE Profile 27.9 cubic foot. The GE Profile 27.9 cubic foot 4-door French refrigerator is designed for busy lifestyles and contemporary kitchens. While the door-in-door feature makes it simple to access your favorite snacks and drinks, especially with the rotating door bin that handles taller objects like wine bottles, its fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish keeps it looking sleek and clean. Soft-close crisper drawers make it easy and convenient to access fresh fruits and vegetables, and the LED light wall within guarantees that everything is easily visible. The ice maker produces both cubed and crushed ice, and the hands-free autofill water dispenser automatically fills containers for hydration. Flexible storage for anything from drinks to deli goods is provided by the temperature-adjustable drawer with a detachable bin caddy. Additionally, twin chill evaporators keep food fresh for longer by maintaining different climates in the refrigerator and freezer, and the Easy Clean liner makes maintaining a spotless inside hassle-free. An additional degree of convenience is provided by smart connectivity, which lets you remotely check the temperature and send notifications to your mobile if your door is left open. The standard depth design may not provide enough depth for really bulky things, and the single ice maker may feel restrictive for households that consume a lot of ice. Additionally, some people may find the technological aspects a little excessive. However, this refrigerator strikes a mix between intelligent design, useful storage, and contemporary amenities, making it a dependable option for daily use and entertaining for anyone who appreciates organization, convenience, and a hint of smart technology. Number 4. Bosch 800 Series 21 Cubic Foot. The Bosch 800 Series 21 Cubic Foot French door refrigerator is made to look sleek and contemporary in the kitchen while prolonging the freshness of your food. It can sit flush with cabinets thanks to its counter-depth construction, giving your kitchen a built-in look without compromising storage. The dual compressors and evaporators provide accurate cooling and humidity control, reducing odor transfer between the refrigerator and freezer, while the multi-airflow technology uniformly distributes cool air throughout the refrigerator, guaranteeing constant temperatures. 3-gallon door bins, 2 humidity-controlled drawers, and 5 movable glass shelves make up the interior's well-thought-out layout. Even more storage versatility is added by the Flex Bar, which is ideal for keeping commonplace goods close at hand. The bottom freezer ice maker, which has a pull-out bin and scoop, produces pyramid-shaped cubes for ice aficionados. Your beverages will remain clean and crisp thanks to the internal water dispenser's Ultra Clarity Pro filter, which removes almost all sediments. For busy homes, Smart-Abled Home Connect makes it possible to remotely monitor and control your refrigerator. However, compared to some other French door models, this 21 cubic foot capacity is marginally smaller, which can be a drawback for large families or busy shopping days. Although the appearance is attractive, the absence of a touchscreen or sophisticated smart controls may seem rudimentary in comparison to ultra-high-tech models, and the single ice maker might not be able to fulfill high-volume needs. All things considered, Bosch produces a refrigerator that strikes a balance between accurate chilling, clever organizing, and clean style, ideal for people who appreciate durability, efficiency, and a neat, contemporary kitchen look. Number 3. Hisense PureFlat 25.6 cubic foot. The Hisense PureFlat 25.6 cubic foot French door refrigerator is made to keep your food fresh and organized while giving your kitchen a streamlined appearance. Its standard depth design blends in well with your cabinets to provide a seamless integrated look. Its versatile storage drawer with temperature controls is one of its best features. It's ideal for keeping everything from beverages to deli goods. There is plenty of space for larger containers and regular foods thanks to the refrigerator's 6-door shelves, gallon-sized door bins, and movable sliding glass shelves. The internal ice and water dispenser, which provides chilled water and both cubed and crushed ice, is a true convenience. Stainless steel that resists fingerprints keeps it looking tidy, and 360-degree LED lighting makes sure that every nook and cranny is well lit so that nothing is lost in the back. For tech enthusiasts, the Hisense Connect Life software and Wi-Fi connectivity allow you to remotely monitor and regulate temperatures, giving daily use a clever twist. Freezer drawers with soft closures glide softly, making it simple to access frozen goods without slamming. Its single ice maker and somewhat less freezer space than some rival models are drawbacks that might make it unsuitable for big ice consumers. The absence of an integrated pantry drawer or humidity-controlled crisper may be a drawback for certain customers, particularly if you keep a lot of fresh produce. The Hisense PureFlat is a great option for anyone searching for a contemporary, user-friendly French door refrigerator because it strikes a mix between elegance, clever performance, and useful storage features. Number 2. Cafe 23.2 cubic foot. The Cafe 23.2 cubic foot counter-depth French door refrigerator is the epitome of clever functionality combined with beauty. Its elegant stainless steel design with brushed handles gives any kitchen a contemporary, polished appearance, and you can genuinely fit your particular style with customizable finishes and handle options. The refrigerator's inside features a flexible design with temperature-controlled drawers, 6 door shelves, and glass shelves that can be adjusted to store everything from fresh greens to beverages. The flatbread freezer section is ideal for pizzas and frozen goods with unusual shapes, while the humidity-controlled crisper prolongs the freshness of veggies. The built-in Wi-Fi connects to the Smart HQ app, which allows you to remotely monitor temperatures and issue notifications. These clever features improve everyday convenience. The twin-chill dual evaporators keep the fresh food and freezer areas at ideal temperatures, and the dual-dispense autofill pitcher guarantees that cold, filtered water is always available. Every part of the back wall is illuminated by LED LED illumination, making it simple and quick to locate what you need. However, the ice maker can only handle water, not ice, which may be a drawback for some households. Additionally, although the counter-depth design is stylish, it somewhat limits total storage space when compared to full-depth models. Furthermore, the refrigerator weighs a little bit more than average, which could make installation more difficult. The cafe refrigerator is a great option for anyone looking for a highly functional, aesthetically pleasing focal point for their kitchen, since it strikes a mix between smart technology, professional appearance, and adaptable storage. Number 1. Whirlpool 23.4 cubic foot. The Whirlpool 23.4 cubic foot counter-depth French door refrigerator is made to blend in nicely with your kitchen while maintaining the freshness and organization of your food. It always appears spotless and polished because of its fingerprint-resistant stainless steel, which prevents smudges. The refrigerator's interior features a clever, practical design with 7 door shelves, adjustable glass shelves, and 2 humidity-controlled crispers that prolong the freshness of fruits and vegetables. The prep and store system offers additional versatility for storing a variety of things, including snacks and drinks, and the stacking InstaView drawers provide a clear view of big produce. The hands-free measured fill feature allows you to receive the precise quantity of water you need without spilling, and the 2 ice makers are a true game changer for families that love ice. Even in confined areas, true clearance hinges enable the doors to fully open, making it simple to access everything without having to rearrange your kitchen. LED lighting illuminates every nook and cranny for easy visibility, while Wi-Fi and smart compatibility allow you to monitor and operate your refrigerator from a distance via apps. The dual ice maker may take up more freezer space, and although the counter-depth design is stylish, it somewhat restricts overall storage when compared to full-depth models. Nevertheless, the Whirlpool refrigerator is an exceptional option for anyone searching for a contemporary, useful focal point for their kitchen, since it strikes a balance between clever technology, careful storage, and a chic, useful appearance. That concludes our list of the top smart refrigerators. Each of these refrigerators combines design, convenience, and smart technology differently, from the LG InstaView's inventive glass panel to the Whirlpool's ingenious storage and dual ice makers. There's an ideal solution here for any kitchen, whether you're a family that values well-organized areas, a tech fanatic yearning for connectivity, or someone who simply wants fresh food and convenient access. Remember that maintaining a smart refrigerator makes your life a little bit easier. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the Legit Pick community for additional weekly top picks if you like this guide and would want more frank, useful, and fashionable home tech evaluations.